Overcoming my fear, a challenging experience. Hello, my young friends. Today, I want to share with you a challenging experience I faced and how I learned to overcome my fear. Sometimes, life presents us with difficult situations, but it's important to remember that we can find the strength within ourselves to face them. So, come along with me as I tell you the story of how I conquered my fear. One sunny day, my family decided to go to an amusement park. I was very excited, but there was one ride that scared me a lot, the roller coaster. It looked so big and fast, and I was afraid that I would feel sick or fall off. I felt a knot in my stomach and my heart started racing. It was a challenging experience for me. As we stood in line for the roller coaster, my parents noticed that I was feeling scared. They sat down with me and assured me that they were there to support me. They explained that it's okay to be afraid, but sometimes facing our fears can lead to great things. Their words gave me the courage to give it a try. Instead of immediately getting on the roller coaster, I decided to start with smaller rides that were less intimidating. I went on the Ferris wheel and the merry-go-round. These rides helped me gain confidence and made me realize that I could handle the roller coaster too. While waiting for my turn on the roller coaster, I watched other kids laughing and having a great time. Their smiles and excitement inspired me. I realized that if they could do it, so could I. It gave me a boost of confidence. When it was finally my turn to get on the roller coaster, I took deep breaths and repeated positive thoughts in my mind. I told myself that I could do it and that it would be an exciting experience. I felt a little nervous, but I was determined to overcome my fear. As the roller coaster started moving, I closed my eyes for a second and then slowly opened them. I felt the rush of wind on my face and heard the screams of excitement around me. To my surprise, I started enjoying the ride. The twists and turns made my heart race, but it was an exhilarating feeling. I conquered my fear and felt a sense of accomplishment. Facing and overcoming our fears can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. In my case, conquering my fear of the roller coaster taught me that I am stronger and braver than I thought. It showed me that with the support of loved ones and a positive mindset, I can overcome any obstacle that comes my way. So, my young friends, remember that you have the power within you to face your fears and achieve great things. Believe in yourself, take small steps, and embrace the challenges that come your way. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish.